You appointed representative of the Interpol in the Philippines?
That time I was appointed, yes.
Who appointed you?
The PCTC, Your
So
Honor.
on that day?
Yes, yes, sir.
So ibuuin natin ha, kayo lang mga militar at polis nakakaintindi ng 3-4 na letra eh. Yung Philippine Center for Transnational Crime. Sir, can you appoint the representative ng Interpol on the spot? Kasama sa powers yun, if I check with Interpol. So kung today, pwedeng ako representative ng Interpol?
Para pong hindi yata kasama sa function.
Well, kakasabi lang ho ni Ambassador, kayo daw nag-appoint sa kanya.
Kung sabi niya.
So, but you're saying it's not. So hindi niyo po
no. Kasi he is a competent authority.
Yeah, no, you're under oath, sir. Did you or did you not appoint him as representative?
The ambassador is a competent authority to represent us.
But you did not appoint him.
Hindi question if he's a competent
authority.
Hindi
You're
pa
not
appointing
appointing,
authority.
okay.
Klaro po yun. Executive Order 265, saan sa buong executive order na nagtatakda na magkaroon ng special envoy, sinasabi na meron kang papel para mag-oversee. Wala kasi akong mabasa
Hindi po.
katulad ni Senator Cayetano eh.
Madam Chair, yun nga po yung relasyon ho namin ng OSETC at PCTC, sila yung aming Secretariat and
Eh,
Operational.
sekretarya lang ninyo, siya pang appointing ninyo.
Hindi
Parang
po,
ang gulo.
hindi po.
Boss ba ninyo yan or utusan?
Hindi po, clear ko lang ho. Kasi that time, wala hong available na members ng PCTC ang may passport noon. So, kaya ho sinabi ko kanina, I volunteered para ho i-accompany ang former president in behalf of the PCTC.
Okay, ma'am, can I clarify? I'm not going into the supervision, your appointment as special envoy because depende sa presidente, pwedeng iba, di ba? Kahit presidential advisor, if the president has special advisor on justice, then it's between the president, Secretary Remulla, etc. Ang focus ko doon sa ikaw ang representative ng Interpol. Kasi sabi mo, yes, ang sabi po ni Secretary Alcantara, hindi kanya in-appoint. So, sino nag-appoint sa iyo bilang representative ng Interpol?
Nirepresent ko po ang PCTC.
May I clarify?
Yeah, go ahead, sir.
Senator. Kasi, traditionally, ang executive director is also the envoy. Ngayon, pinaghiwalay po yung posisyon. Yung ginawa po ng Malacanang, hiniwalay po yung posisyon ng special envoy at ng executive director. Pero dati ho, isa lang yan.
Yeah. But lihis doon, Sec, sabi kasi ni Ambassador, siya daw ang representative ng Interpol that day.